Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the PetNC Natural Care Hip and Joint Soft Chews for Dogs 90 Count. Then no way Mon low, but this is a very important supplement that makes a visible difference. 13 years old Beatrice was walking up 15 stairs when she took them. These treats look like chocolate, you feel compelled to eat them. They say liver flavor and my 3 dogs love them, gotta keep buying more. These are fantastic. Not only does our older dog like the flavor, but she can actually chew the treat even without most of her teeth. She also goes for her full walk in the morning, whereas she had been stopping and going back halfway for the past few months before these vitamin shop. Now after almost a month she is even having little spurts of energy to play with the other dogs. It's incredible. My Chiweenie has mild dysplasia and a very sensitive tummy, but she loves these chews and they don't make her sick. My senior dog was having trouble getting up from laying position. When she meets 3 of these a day she gets around a lot better. Now that he is taking these he only rarely limps, and that's only when he really overdoes it wrestling with other dogs. She has bowed front legs and suffers from what seems to be arthritis from having a life of zooming around the dog park and adventuring, which makes sense given that she is so old, but every little bit goes a long way. 5 months on these she is acting like a puppy, running and playing like her old self. They take time to really do their magic. Although my other yellow lab, who had surgery on his leg 6 months ago, accidentally ate some and his leg blew up. Our little guy was diagnosed with IF last spring and the vet recently recommended a glucosamine supplement to help with his joints. She was struggling to get in and out of the car, moving much slower, and sometimes wouldn't he even want to go for a walk. This is a nice supplement for my aging dog. He loves them. They do not have a horrific odor and they are the perfect size for a small dog. My 13 years old Shiba's legs would shake at night according to our vet after multiple tests and vet visits due to back pain. Both have a really hard time going up and down 3 flights of stairs, but after eating these treats which they love, my Chloe Bear is actually running again. Might not sound like much, but for her it is a huge step. So happy with this purchase. 3 days for these vitamins and she is playing like a puppy, running like a crazy dog, feeling great, and the leaking stops. My dog thinks they are her treats. Notice her moving a bit better. Need to follow directions though and give daily. Not sure how much these actually help my dog and his luxating patella, but he sure does love the taste of these things. After 2 weeks on these she is back to running and moving a ton better. Great product and she loves the flavor. Great for dogs of almost any age. Our old girl loves the tastes and they are soft enough to hide her real meds in. We've noticed a significant difference in the last couple of weeks. He's only hobbled on 3 legs a couple times and those were after a lot of activity. There are likely some products that have a bit better list of ingredients than this, but for the price this product cannot be beat. It seems to be really helping her not be as sore as she was after a dog park visit and be more bouncy the rest of the time. She gets up with no struggle, hops around like normal especially around food time, and plays fetch like a champ again. She is 12 years old and she didn't want to get up from bed, not even to go outside. After a few days of this vitamins she was her normal self again. Don't know for certain if it was responsible for pain relief, but she has shown no signs of difficulty in jumping and running. He likes this and it doesn't have to be hidden in peanut butter like all the others. He has severe arthritis and hip dysplasia. My dogs like to take almost a treat and my 6-year-old lady is moving like a 2 years old. Only drawback is the recommended dosage per weight. If you have a big dog and follow it, you'll be out within a week or so. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.